welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see in the title, I will be doing a Christmas wrapping because today is the 14th, I believe, and yes, it's a Saturday. And can you guys look in the background? I'm like wrapping Christmas presents. I'm not completely done, but I started it last night. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys a lipstick from Sunny's. My sister sent me these. She sent me milk tea. This is from Sunny's Face, milk tea. She also sent me brunette, this brownish color, and she also sent me casual. This is the shade brunette. Don't freaking mind my nails, I have to cut them. This is in the shade milk tea. Oh my god, I'm grabbing milk tea. This is the shade casual. I did that on my nails, sorry. So yeah, that's that. I'm just gonna put them up. They're really pretty. Like, I can't wait, especially this brown color, brunette. I really like brown. And this is milk tea. Okay, she also sent me 3 different lip tint from Vice Cosmetics. She sent me the shade Beshi, Kyondi, and Shots. I do love the Kyondi shade. I actually ran out of this shade because I've been like using it non-stop as well. Just for like an everyday, you know, like I'm not feeling like wearing lipstick, I wear like lip tint. So yeah, this is 145 pesos, and yeah, they're all 145 pesos. So these are the 3 shades that I got right there. I think Beshi is more like a orangey color, I'm not sure. So yeah, that's that. So I can't wait to try this new lipstick and lip tint. So anyways, moving on. So I also went to Bath and Body Works, I believe the other day, when they were having a sale again. I'm sorry, but the purpose, like I said, the purpose of me going there, because I bought like, not 4, like, yeah, 4 different candles, and then I went back again and got more candles so I can give it to my family and friends as a present, but I'm not telling them which one is which. So anyways, I got me a candle, and you guys, this smells really good. You're about to experience the world's best candle enjoy, I know, right? So this one smells bomb. The Ski Lodge smells really good. This was on sale for like $12.95. Where is the receipt? But yeah, I think $12.95, because the original price for this candle is $24.50, almost like $50. But this was on sale, so I got it, and it smells so fucking good. Like, if this is edible, like, I'm just like, I'm gonna eat it. But this smells really good. And I also got the Paris, I believe this is the Paris or Santa something, I don't know. Oh yeah, this is the Paris. Oh my god, this one smells really good too. I don't even want to like light them up because like I just don't want to keep smelling them, and they're really pretty. So this is the Paris right there. They have different candles over there, like, oh my god, this is actually on sale as well. So I got 2, and I got 6 more, I think 6 or 8 more candles, I forgot, and they're already in the boxes over there. So whoever's gonna receive the candles, I hope you're gonna like it, because my people watches my vlog, so I can't really tell them like, hey, I got you a candle, so because that's gonna ruin the, you know, Christmas surprise or gift. And I got more. So I know, I'm sorry, I got more champagne toast because I've been using this on the guest bathroom, and I put the champagne toast in the guest bathroom, and my husband told me that smells really good. My friend Clarice actually gave me champagne toast, and then, you know, like, when I was there, I'm like, you know what, let me restock on the champagne toast because it smells freaking good. And I also got the winter candy apple and twisted peppermint. This was like $2 something. They were having another. Okay, I found the receipt. No, so the candles is $11.55, and the soaps, where is it? $2.95. scent. So I'm just gonna insert another clip. This was yesterday. I was planning to vlog yesterday, but then it didn't happen. So I'm gonna insert a clip of me showing you guys my BoxyCharm unboxing slash Bath and Body Works. So I got more Bath and Body Works. They're having like $1.95 for this hand cream. No, not hand cream, body cream, like mist, like this size. So I got a couple of those, and here's another one. I'm currently finalizing the Christmas present. I'm not gonna show everything because I'm not gonna I don't want my people to see, you know, what I got from them, and I'm not gonna tell who's this or who I'm giving to. So I'm just gonna show you this from Bath and Body Works. So they're, like I said, this is like $1.95. I think it's only for today. And I also got some hand cream. This smells really good as well. And I didn't get hand creams for me because I already got the one from Target, and you know, it's like I got like 3 different not flavor but scent from Target, and I'm just gonna show you that maybe tomorrow because I just want to wrap the presents. My husband is getting all the wrapping paper, and also I'm gonna do the unboxing for the BoxyCharm of December as well here. For today's month is gonna be, what is this, Whimsy. So I'm only keeping the 3 stuff here, and there's an eye palette here, which is I'm gonna give it to, you know, one of my people. So I'm keeping the Saturday Skin Waterful. I believe this is a water cream, and yeah, I can't wait to try this one. I'm also keeping the Ciate Marble Light Blush in the shade Marble Light. Okay, wait. I'm sorry, what's the shade? I don't know. It doesn't say, so let me just open this quick. This is in the shade Dust. Okay, I'm gonna try to open this with one hand while I'm vlogging. Ooh, so that's the shade right there. Okay, so I'm keeping this as well, and I'm also keeping the lip exfoliator. I think, yeah, lip exfoliator with radish extract. So that's that. Okay, so the Saturday Skin price is $39, and the marble blush from Ciate is $26, and also the lip exfoliator is $24. This one comes with the brow. I'm just gonna show you, but I'm not gonna tell who I'm giving to. But this is like a brow bar. It's brow makeover kit. I want to keep this, but I do love my Anastasia Brow Wiz and pomade, so I don't want to you know, I wouldn't want to keep this because, you know, I might just not ending up using it. So I'm just gonna give this away. And also last one is from the Storybook, which is this one. They sent me the fairy tale Storybook Cosmetics, and this is, they have like 2 variation, which is like the red one, and they sent me this one, which is really thick, and I already have a lot of eyeshadow, so I'm also giving this away. So that's that. I'm just gonna put it over there. So yeah, I got these for like $1.95. This is the Champagne Toast. This is the Into the Night. They all smell really good. And this is hot cocoa and cream. This is Winter Candy Apple, pretty as a peach. And another Winter Candy Apple. This one really smells good. And this one, oh yeah, I have this one too, like in a big bottle. And this is the Rose Fragrance Mist. Last but not the least is Rose Ultra Shea Body Cream. So I'm gonna wrap this around you guys so I can give it to my, you know, so I'll be ready on time. And what I'm doing is like I for just for an example, like I put this in the Amazon box. For example, I'm giving this to, you know, somebody, and then I'll use the Amazon box. I have like a small and medium size as well, so I'll just, you know, use the wrapping, Christmas wrapping gift. I'm just gonna use this because I'm already almost out of it, so I'm gonna use this one, and then, you know, just wrap it around, and then I'm probably gonna just vlog tomorrow because I don't have a makeup on and I look so ugly today. It was raining, so I was planning on vlogging, but then, you know, shit happened. So anyways, I'm gonna talk to you guys tomorrow. Also guys, I ordered, this was from Cyber Monday. Remember for the last video I told you guys I was waiting on the Shop Miss A, so this was the Cyber Monday. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got from there as well. I got more brushes. This is $10, I believe. This is like a brush set, and because they were having like $1 shipping, so I'm just like, you know what, let me order more brushes because I need more brushes. So yeah, these are the brushes, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you really think about it, it's like $1 per brush. So just for an example, this one right here, and this is E145 right there. That's just an example of the brushes, and I really like the brushes from Shop Miss A because I do have brushes from them. I ordered them, especially like the eye brushes too. And also I stocked up on my lashes, so I got more lashes from them. This is the faux mink lashes. They're actually premium lashes, and I get the shade, not shade, I got the style Jean Elydia. I also got the style, not shade, I also got the style Tracy, and another Jean. I really like Jean. This is Tracy, and then this is Jean, and more Elydia and Melissa. So this is Melissa right there, and this is Elydia. I really like Elydia and Jean. They're like my go-to lashes. And I got more of the Alexis. Hold on, I have the paper here. So the Alexis is only $5, I believe. So the set, no, that's that one. Where? Okay, so where is Alexis? Doesn't have a. So Alexis is $5 something, because it doesn't say the price here, but I remember it was like $5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it has like 6-pack of this one. I like Alexis for like an everyday lash. I normally put Alexis or the one from Kiss. So yeah, that's that. And I also got, I was curious on the brush cleaner, so I got the lavender scented antibacterial spray for the brushes, and I'm gonna try this actually. Okay, last but not least, you guys, I'm gonna be in a hurry because I have to cook some food and I haven't eaten lunch, and I still have to clean this whole mess. So you guys, I'm really excited and I can't wait to show you guys. So I got a vintage, I'm like more into like vintage bag right now. I think like they're all coming back, like all the style from like 90s, like they're all coming back. So I got myself a vintage bag. Oh my god, so this is a Louis Vuitton, I don't know what the name is, I think it's like Viovo. I'm just gonna put it in the screen because I'm not trying to pronounce that name, because I don't want you guys to be like, what? No, that's not how you pronounce it. But this is a Louis Vuitton, and you guys can see like it's really like used. And yeah, so this is a Louis Vuitton bag. It's like a handbag, and oh my god, I was so excited. And this bag is actually fresh from Japan and abroad. And what I know is all the bags from Japan, they don't sell fake over there, so that's why I really trust my mom's friend, because she sells bags from Japan, and you know, all branded bag from Korea as well. So anyways, this is that the vintage bag, and I put like what do you call it, like paper here, and also like this thing, what do you call this, like I can't even talk, like how do you call this one, like a plastic bubble wrap. Okay, plastic bubble wrap. So just because it's not gonna, what do you call it, it's not gonna deform or something, so I put a lot of bubble wrap. I'm also gonna use this actually on my other bags from like the Burberry. So yeah, I'm gonna put this bubble wrap on my bag so it's not gonna like deform or something. So I got this one, and let me put this right here. And I also got another Louis Vuitton. This is, I believe, the Epi Jasmine Louis Vuitton. It doesn't really look like Louis Vuitton because it's very like low-key Louis Vuitton, but this is a LV Jasmine, I think. LV Jasmine Louis Vuitton, I don't know, I'm not sure, but this is how it looks like. And it's also a handbag, I know, right? So because I like my bags, I'm not really into like big bags. I only use big bags when I go to work, like the Tory Burch, that's my work bag. And also the, what is, I think that's the only big bag I have, like the only tote big bag that I have, except for, no, my Fendi is not that big. I think that's it, because I'm not really into like I said, big bags. So I match my body size into my bags. So anyways, this is the, I believe, Jasmine, but if not, like I said, I'm gonna insert the name here, so you guys are not gonna come at me. So I'm gonna put this actually in this one, because I actually put paper here, like a paper, not paper bag, but like papers in here, so like I said, it doesn't deform. And last but not the least is the, not Fendi, but Burberry. Yeah, this is another handbag from Burberry. So what I'm gonna do is put this one here so it doesn't deform or something. Just like to give you guys an example. See? So yeah, the bubble wrap is nice and fit over there. And this is Burberry from London. Yeah, Burberry from London. Just that, it's so freaking cute. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I'm really like into like a vintage bag right now. And I also have the Fendi Zucca shoulder bag that I got from Italy. And I think that's it. Yeah, I do have the Louis Vuitton favorite MRPM. I forgot their name. And yeah, I think that's all the designer I have right now, and I'm not planning to buy more. But anyway, this is the Burberry handbag as well. So I got the Burberry, I got the LV, got the LV Burberry, and also got another LV right here. So that's the bag. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna talk to you guys later because I literally just have to cook this lunch for us, and then I'll talk to you guys later.